Good morning. This week was so busy that I'm barely now just juicing. Remember when I got these at the farmer's market? So a bunch of oranges. Hopefully they're still good. And then the carrots that I bought. So I hope they're still good. I'm going to go ahead and start peeling these carrots. I actually don't know if you're required to peel them. I think I'm just going to, so, ooh, so pretty. This is very therapeutic. How are you today? Here are all the carrots I peeled. Just gonna make them smaller. Whoa. There's some ASMR content for you. This is really relaxing, but juicing yourself obviously takes a lot of time. Now time to peel the oranges. I hope they're still good. Hear that? Oh, it's the little things. Of course, it's faster to buy your juice at the juice store. Just grab and go, but there's definitely some satisfaction making your own and getting to create your own recipes with it. This could take a while. I'm making a big batch because I need to use all these because I bought these last week. You can almost smell it from Alright, so oranges are done. Last but not least, ginger. so here is oranges, carrots, ginger, my frosted glasses, and I'm ready to go. Where should I put this? Actually. Oh my gosh, I made so much juice. So excited to try it. Oh my gosh, it's so good. This one has ginger and this glass does not. So yummy. I wish I could share some with you. Cheers. Frosted glass. Oh my gosh, this is my first time making the orange recipe. It's so good. It was worth all the effort. It took me a while. I've been here peeling and chopping, but so good. glad I caught it before I devoured.